Now, Otis is going to take care of business at the plinth while I maintain a respectful social distance and just look on admiringly. What have you got on the box, big man?
Well, respectfully, Mr. Craig Charles, what I have is something that is durable, mouldable, and has a very snug fit.
The mind boggles.
And what they say is these will give you a top-notch sonic experience.
Sounds good. Oh, I give up. What's in the box?
Give me strength. What I've got in this box, and indeed what John has and Georgie has in their boxes, are the new Skullcandy Push Ultra True Wireless Earbuds.
Okay, how much?
120 quid. And, oh, look at that. Look what you get for your money, eh? Nice.
We've got black. I like the case.
They look nice, don't they?
Yeah.
Battery life?
Battery life, 34 hours in the case, 6 hours on the buds themselves.
I'm just going to be respectful here.
Go on.
Earbuds is earbuds. I mean, did you do anything special?
These are traceable. You can't lose them.
I mean,
You can't lose-
certainly couldn't lose them with that colour, could you?
Nope.
That is bright.
Is losing earbuds a thing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thousands of pairs are recovered from underground networks every year, and some airlines report to finding 40 pairs a month.
I don't even know why I asked that question. I've lost about 6 pairs myself.
There we go.
Take a look around, you'll notice that we've each got a pair. Yours, I have placed somewhere in the studio. What I wanted to do was show you how easy it is to find them. Now, they use tile technology. A lot of people will be familiar with tiles. You place them in your wallet so that you don't lose your wallet. You can attach them to your keys as well. Well, these earbuds have that tech in them. So get your phone out.
Yep.
You've got Tile on there.
Okay, so I've got my Tile app up. Find.
They should emit a beep or a tweet of some kind, and also you'll get a visual representation of how close you are on your map as well.
Ooh.
I can hear them.
I can hear them, yeah.
I mean, how good is Craig's hearing? That's the test now.
I'm a DJ, I'm deaf.
Actually, high pitch is probably not a good spell for you, yeah.
Here they are.
You got them?
Well, hey, I've got them.
Excellent.
Now, this is really good, though, isn't it? Because, I mean, they are expensive and they are tiny and they're so easily losable that this kind of works.
Yep.
And if you lose them somewhere out of earshot, your phone will still log the place where it last detected them. So if you'd left them at a restaurant, say, you could go back and retrieve them.
And it also uses other people's phone who have the Tile app to help trace them as well.
Ah.
Now, I like that I can mould that specifically to my own lugs, but I don't like that I can't put the buds in my ears. So the music I'm listening to doesn't really have that oomph.
It's not a rich, deep, growly, bassy kind of sound coming out of this.
I'm listening to some bloke called Craig Charles on an app.
He's very good.
He
And
doesn't
he's
sing.
not as bassy as the real thing. On the positive side, though, they are very securely attached and comfortable, just I have heard better.
Yeah, I definitely agree that the bass is a bit weak, but overall, a good sound quality. I can imagine them being good gym headphones.